Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutorial Web Design. So today we are going to create a seamless pattern in Photoshop. Let's start. Click on File, New and take size 400 by 400. Click on Create. Drag the ruler and put it in the center. Drag it and put it in the center. So 400 by 400 the dimension was. Now let's check it. So this is 200 by 200, this is also 200 by 200, so you can check it here. So if this window is not there, you can go and click on window info. Okay, now see, each square is 200 by 200. Now we will create a simple pattern. For the simple pattern, what we are going to do, create a rectangle here and fill this part with a black color. Disable the stroke, duplicate it and place it here. Drag like this so that white part should not be visible there. Okay, now this is a base of our pattern. Now click on select all, Control A, select all, edit, define pattern. So checkbox pattern, or we can name it pattern, give it a name. So this is pattern 3. Okay, click on File, New. Now take size. Earlier it was 400 by 400, that was size of the base pattern. Now take the dimension 1400 by 1400, create, edit, fill and pattern. Select your pattern that you created. This is like that. Okay, or you can go to convert background layer into normal layer. Go to pattern overlay. So in the pattern overlay, select the pattern that we created. Here now you can reduce, you can play with the scaling of the pattern. See this. Or now you can play with the opacity as well as angle. See this. Now let's come to base pattern again. So now this is the pattern. In this pattern I will do some changes, like I have added one circle here. Again go to select all, edit, define pattern, pattern 4, click on File, New, 1400 by 1400, or you can convert background layer into normal layer, FX icon and pattern overlay and select your pattern here. See this. So friends, I think now you are clear about this, how we can create our pattern. Okay, first create a base pattern and then define pattern and then apply pattern. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe.